to make a Discord server. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to make a Discord server. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Discord account and just log into your account using your credentials, and after that just simply head over to the left hand side menu bar, and over here just simply click on the plus icon which says add a server. Just simply tap on it, and after that you can choose from the template which are already available to create a server, or you can also create a server from scratch. So just simply click on create my own, and after that you can select whether you want to make it for a community or a club or for you and your friends. So I am creating it for my friends. Just simply click on it, and after that just simply name this particular server that you're creating right now. I'm gonna give it a name of friends chat, and now your server has been created. And now you need to add on some things in order to make this server workable. So for that just simply first click on invite your friends. Just simply click on it, and after that you can invite your friends manually if you want, and if you don't want to invite them manually, just simply copy this particular code of the server that you have just created, and after that you can send this particular code to your friends or family who want to join this server individually as well. And after that just simply head on to the server settings. You can choose from the server template if you want to. If you don't want that, just simply go to the roles section and assign roles to the server that you are creating. Just simply click on create role, and from the plus icon at the top you can create new role, and you can also give the name of this particular role that you're creating. So for example I'm creating a role for admin, and after that just enable or disable the activity that the admin or that the role that you have created can have, and click on save change. So you have 2 roles created. You can also create as many roles for the server as you want. Just come back and just right click on the server that you have just created, and over here just go to the server settings, and now you can also create categories for your and from there you can also create categories for your server. Just simply click on the server settings and click on create category, and simply name the category that you're creating and click on create category. You can create as many categories for the server as you want, and the category will appear on the left hand side of the screen. And after that you can start chatting in the server using inviting your friends and having a fruitful conversation, and you can also personalize your server with icons and other stuff. You can also send first message if you want to, and as soon as your friends will enter the group or the server that you have created, then you can start with the fruitful conversation further. So that's how basically you will be able to create a server in Discord. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.